This is Tina from Tia's Treasures, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and comparison of 3 card kits here. I've got the Stamps of Life, Pink and Main, and Spellbinders. So let's get started. First off, we're going to start with the Stamps of Life. Now this kit always comes in this cute little box, just as it is. You can see the labels on there, and the price of this is it's $42.98, but there are cheaper options, and I'll get into that momentarily. It comes with 12 envelopes. Now this is the So Cool collection card kit for August 2021. It always comes with a little card, a little project card, which is always real cute. Get you some ideas. And they always come with ribbon, usually 2 different kinds that matches the color scheme. This month's got some chipboard stickers. They tend to sometimes have puffy stickers or some chipboard, but you know, average, it's pretty much what you're getting is the amount of things you normally get. This month also has these cute little felt scallops. I'm not sure, I think they're sticker backed. It comes with a tiny little stamp that says close by or far apart, friends are always in your heart. A couple little cherries, and we've got some enamel dots, So Cool dies, and then the matching dies for the little stamps. This month came with a little booklet. You don't always get that. She threw that in this month, Stephanie. We got a free die this month that says for you. We're always getting, like, no, well, not always, but a lot of times free dies and stuff are thrown in this kit, which makes it kind of nice. This kit always comes with a handy dandy little folder to put everything in. It's a plastic folder. It will fit your cardstock, so that makes it kind of convenient. But once you stuff everything in here, it does get kind of bulky. It comes with 24 sheets of pattern paper, 2 of each, double-sided. Now, Stephanie's kits always come with a sheet that's a cut apart, and these cut aparts, you can fussy cut them if you want, but she also has a stamp club or a stamp and die club that if you subscribe to that, the dies will always cut out at least 1 or sometimes 2 sheets of the pattern paper for some nice ephemera. Now this month, for the die, it was the ice cream, which is kind of matching the theme of this kit. So you've got the little sundae here, which is real cool. And as you can see, this here does match with that. I don't know if you can hear my dogs. They're going crazy in the background right now. But yeah, this will cut out that. And if you belong to this Die Hard club, you get this stamp set or this card kit. It will cost you $37.88 with shipping. That's well, free shipping, it's included. But as you can tell, this starts to add up, because just the stamp is $11.95 free shipping. And if you get both of them for the Die Hard, which is the die and the stamp, that's $24.90 with the free shipping. And a lot of times this card kit also, Stephanie will have some different add-ons you can buy. In this case, it's a little sundae cone and some more sayings. And you do get a 20% discount in everything in the site if you belong to the Die Hard and the club kit. So also, I didn't mention the cardstock. We get some lovely cardstock in this kit every month. Beautiful colors. Not sure if you want me to go through all of these. We might be here all day. Oh, come on. Now I'm just annoyed. There we go. So beautiful cardstock, nice heavyweight. It makes for great layering or card bases. So this is the Stamp of Life. I mentioned the ribbon and the envelope. So this is a pretty nice card kit, except once you start adding all the add-ons, it does get a little pricey. I think this might be my last month getting this. I don't get a whole lot of views when I do this stamp kit, and it does tend to add up. So next we have Pink and Main. Now Pink and Main, this is the World to Me card kit from, is it August? Yeah, August. And this one starts, well, it's $34.99 plus $8.50 to ship in the US. So that's a total of $43.49. But you don't need to buy any extras. Everything is in the kit already. This kit comes in this beautiful box. It's usually inside a pink envelope, so your box stays nice if you want to keep it. And it always comes with this beautiful tissue paper, and we always get this really nice mesh bag with all our components in it except for our cardstock, because the cardstock is basil, and the basil cardstock always has like that 1/4 inch on the end that kind of tells us what it is. Now this month our card colors are really beautiful. I love these basil. They've got texture, and we do get a piece of glitter cardstock, and it seems like 3 of the powdered sugar are always included as well, so you can make card bases of them. So moving on, let's just see what's in this kit. Put this to the side. So inside the mesh bag, you always get a really nice card that tells you everything in the kit. And if you want, you can always make a card of this, card out of that, an A2 card. So, and it tells us on the back our color scheme, what's inside. Now these kits normally come with pretty much what I'm showing here. It varies a little bit here and there, but for the most part you get a good amount of items. We've got a stencil this month, some beautiful sequins, some enamel dots with little glitter in them that matches everything, so it's kind of matchy-matchy. We get 24 sheets of double-sided paper, 12 patterns each, and trust me, they're just some beautiful papers. They're a nice little, kind of a little bit glossy, not overly glossy, but a little bit, and they've got a little bit of weight to them, so they're beautiful for layering or, you know, your backgrounds, whatever you want to do with them. Like I said, they are double-sided, so we've got a bunch of different lovely patterns. We usually get a 6x6 embossing folder, which is really nice because you can fit pretty much whatever size card you want on here. You could probably do a slim line, but I'm not too sure about that. You'd have to line it up really good and hope you don't like squish where you've already embossed. And Pink and Main usually comes with dies and stamps, and a lot of times the dies will match the stamp. So you don't have to fussy cut them out. You've already got the dies that'll do it for you. And a lot of times we end up getting a word die as well with the kit. This one happens to say hello. And so I think this is a pretty good value for the money. You've got everything here, and I think I might stick with this one a bit longer just because I really do love the Pink and Main card kit. But I want to say I think the best value we get is the Spellbinders. Now this is the August kit 2021 called Art School. This one is this is $38.50. That's with shipping. Now, you can do a lot of different clubs with Spellbinders. A lot of them tie into each other. Not so much with the card kit, but they've got a stamp club. They've got foil plates that are in the club, large die, small die, all sorts of things. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you're probably a little bit familiar with that. I think I look fine. So this card kit always kind of comes with this little piece of paper here, so we get to make it feel like it's a present, like Christmas morning. And I'm going to take this out so I'm not fighting that paper. We always get some nice amount in here. Come on now. fighting with that. So we always get 10 card bases and 10 envelopes. These aren't real heavy stock card bases, but you can, by the time you glue all your papers and layers on, sometimes these aren't too bad. You can make them thicker by doing that if you want. Of course, you get the envelopes with the little glue on the back. So put this to the side. This month's kit comes with some puffy stickers, some sequins. We usually get sequins or some sort of jewel to put on the kit. We don't always get both. We always get 24 sheets. Is this 24? I think that's probably more than 24. I'm not even sure right now. I'm not going to count them though. But we get this lovely pad of paper. Now this is paper, and you get all these designs. You get 2 of each, so that makes it really nice. Yeah, it's got to be more than, I think it's probably 24 different patterns. So we get that. That's nice. I skipped the card. I probably should have done this first. We always get an idea card, and it tells us what's in the kit, and it tells us how to put our dies together, because the Spellbinders kit always comes with a fun little die set. Look at that. So this kit also comes with some puffy stickers. We always get a roll of double-sided tape and some dimensionals, which makes it nice for your cards. This is the only kit that comes with something to, some adhesive. The other ones do not. Excuse me a second. I had to take a sip of tea. I was getting kind of dry there. This kit usually comes with some sort of chipboard sticker. In this case, we've got the front and the back of this one. It always comes with some sort of, I think this is an acrylic stamp set, which stamps beautifully. I've never had any problems with it. And you get plenty of stamps. But if you're not into stamping and coloring, the Spellbinders always has this huge pack of die cuts that coordinates beautifully with the pattern paper and your cardstock. And you get dies. In this case, this is a little painter's palette with some florals and a paintbrush. Spellbinders always has some wonderful little dies that complement the kit. And of course, we get cardstock. We always get some nice cardstock with Spellbinders that complement the colors. And there is usually either a gold or silver double-backed foil piece of cardstock. It's usually gold, occasionally get silver. This is really nice stuff. It cuts beautifully. It's more of a foil than a cardstock, but it's a heavy foil. And anyhow, those are the 3 card kits that I have. And let me know if you subscribe to any of them and which ones you think are the better value for the money. Well, that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe or hit the like button. Bye-bye for now.